welcome back to my channel. I know y'all ain't seen the girl in a little minute. I've been, being a mom, doing all that other mom stuff and being an adult and adulting and all this other stuff and stressed and trying to figure out how I'm gonna get this money by tomorrow. That's all I'm trying to figure out. So I am out. My best friend, he the only person that can get me outside, and then he wanted to add everybody else to the mix, and then they know they can get me outside as a unit, so I'm outside. My best friend of when I was a little girl, her name is Ruthie. I'm meeting her up here now. Yeah, this is my girl. She is outside at this place called Fins and Feather in Atlanta. If you are not familiar with things to do in Atlanta, this is something that's big. It's one on the south side, Clayco, yeah, and then it's one in Atlanta. So you have Fins and Feather or Fin and Feathers? I'm not sure. I think it's Fins and Feathers. Oh hell no, it's about to rain. Let me go in here. God said, where them heels at broken? Where them heels at broken? Get it on the floor. 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 I got my girl Ruthie in the cut. Ooh,
hey y'all.
What it is? What's up? Look, we outside. I told you these are the only people that can get me outside.
I got her outside, y'all. She didn't be outside.
Yeah, because I was like, Keyshawn.
But she didn't be outside, y'all, because she always mother all day. Working all day.
Look, break. And this a mommy for what? Cameron about to be 9 this year. Oh my God. She been in the
years,
cut,
y'all.
Almost 9 years.
9 years.
That's
and
crazy.
It don't look like it.
Don't look like it. Period. Baby, where?
Okay. You ain't never seen the videos for my birthday.
Yes, I did.
I don't think you should know from this. You might record it. Check this out. She's going to let you ball. I didn't need hello.
Oh, we taking it. Hell no. I need to chase or something.
Your body drive me crazy. Your body need a license fit. Your body are too tight and neat. Anybody who got eyes can't see. She just wanna dance and tease. She just wanna dance and tease me. 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 Listen, you've been missing since 2016. Squid tell me 150. You know that's my sister. When she speak, I listen. She swears you're my missing. I say we think different. I see. By your heart I see. Come baby, come try me. Who you gonna love if you run by me, love? Too many twists and turns, yeah. Love the way you twist and turn, yeah. Baby, call me eye to fry, I get burned, yeah. Love the way you twist and turn, yeah. Your body drive me crazy. Your body need a license fee. Got your body at the Titan heat. Anybody who got eyes can't see. She just wanna dance and tease. She just wanna dance and tease me. Yeah, but yeah, she just wanna dance and tease. She just wanna dance and tease me. She just wanna dance and tease me. Yeah, dance and tease. You cool like the Highland breeze. You know what you want and need. Bend over, hug up and squeeze. They used to say you don't want, you didn't know love. You used to say you need to grow up. I know you know. Say you want to touch it up, though. And I know, you want wine fast and you wine slow. Remember the first night when you get freaky, when you get naughty. Before that we are chill. No, no, I got your body at the tight like anybody who got eyes can't see. She just wanna dance and tease. She just wanna dance and tease. Yeah, I see why your heart's I see. Come, baby, come, try me. Everybody run by me. Look how you twist and turn, Look how you twist and turn,
All right, love you, thank you.
Ramon!
Y'all, I'm taking his pictures.
Ramon!
And he just,
Hey!
I'm trying to get him so I can like get pictures of his face and just decide.
Ramon, I do. Y'all, so I know that y'all have watched all of the things that I've been doing over the past few days. And I was like, you know what? I'm trying to incorporate more of the things that I do on a daily or like in a week and like compile it all together to have longer videos. Right now I'm kind of pissed off. You know, I'm just asking the Lord to like really help me with something that I struggle with. And sometimes it's like anger. Because, you know, I don't want to be easily angered. And sometimes I can be. I know I'm like super sweet and nice, but some things just really piss me off because I always think about how super considerate I am to like everything around me, every person. And then when people like play in my face, it's just so hard for me to just compose myself, like not in front of them, but like in my inner thoughts and me. So right now I'm just a little pissed because y'all saw the clip before. I go to this lady for don't mind. Okay, lip gloss girlies, y'all know that the lips get white sometimes. But I went to the lady about for my son's photos. I've been to her twice. There were like a few reservations from my family when it came to certain things and certain business things, but I've always really just still appreciated her work. And we got there on time. We started right on the dock of 12:30. And of course, my baby had just woke up. He was a little fussy. You know, you have to kind of like warm them up or whatever. This is his dad calling. Hold up. So yeah, y'all, I'm back. Sorry about that. I know I was talking to y'all this morning. My child's father called. We got to talking, chatting. I forgot. So basically, y'all, I was telling y'all, I got his photos done. It was like a little mishap, but we got it figured out. So I'm not going to bring it to the internet because it wasn't really that deep. She was very professional about it and got it rectified. I was more so pissed off at my landlords in Jamaica. I just been like, you know what? I don't even want to talk about it. I don't want to talk about it. We're going to talk about something positive because the way that God been showing out for me at my job is just like amazing. I should just tell everyone. The moments that you feel like your life is stagnant or things are stagnant or things are not working out for you, I really truly believe that with prayer things change. And it's not I feel like, I guess so. No, I truly believe that things work out best when you pray and when you really set your eye on the Lord and really push through and say, bring the Lord on your journey, because a lot of times we just feel like we can do everything on our own. motherhood, especially when you're solo parenting, it could be very testing. And I think when you become a parent, you start to really become a prayer warrior. Just adulting and adulthood will turn you into that. My mom has always been that. My parents have always been that. Like, so now I just see how prayer changes things. So with me knowing that prayer changes things, I just try to really, and I know I said I'm not going to say try, but I'm a work in progress. I put my all and my trust into the Lord, and I am seeing the fruits of the labor. Everything that I'm doing, I'm seeing it. I don't know, God just showing out. And even when things are not looking good, he's still showing out. I mean, it's been times where I'm like feeling very down, and he's still showing out. And he showed out yesterday, and he just showing out. So, I am going to my sister's wedding, my line sister's wedding tomorrow, and I'm trying to figure out if I want to put all of this on one vlog or just like split it up. But I think it would be best to just put everything on one vlog. So, huh, Daddy? Huh, Daddy?
You on the phone? Come give me a hand right quick.
Okay, no problem. I had to go help my dad, but he taking my baby out for a walk. But yeah, y'all. Ooh, this light is really bright in here, but I'm tired. He got steps, so I be tired. But yeah, that's pretty much what it is. We leave tomorrow, so I'm gonna put all of this on the vlog. I was trying to find someone who can do my hair, but I can't find anyone, so I think I have to do it myself, which I don't want to, but I don't really have no other choice. So yeah. Okay, y'all, so I just did my hair. Let me show y'all. Y'all can see it. Let me see. This is how long it's gotten. It has got real long. So now I just need to style it. I don't know what I'm gonna do, but I'm gonna style it. Okay, y'all, so just made it to the gate. Laying out here. My mom right here. Yes.